Physical fitness testing for week 4. What is power? Power is the ability of the muscle to transfer energy and release maximum force at a fast rate. To measure your explosive strength and power of the leg muscles, you will be performing the standing long jump. Here's the equipment to be used. Tape measure stick or any measuring device. Procedure. For the performer, stand behind the take-off line with feet parallel to each other. The tips of the shoes should not go beyond the line. Bend knees and swing arms backward once, then swing arms forward as you jump, landing on the balls of both feet. Try to jump as far as you can. Do not control the momentum of the jump, continuously move forward. Perform the test twice in succession. For the partner, place 0 point of the tape measure at the takeoff line. After the jump, spot the mark where the back of the heel of either feet of the performer has landed nearest to the takeoff line. Record the distance of the two trials. Scoring, record the best distance in meters to the nearest 0.1 centimeters. What is agility? Agility is the ability to move in different directions quickly using a combination of balance, coordination, speed, strength, and endurance. Hexagon Agility Test. The purpose of this test is to measure the ability of the body to move in different directions quickly. Equipment. Tape measure. Stopwatch. Chalk or masking tape. Hexagon size. Length of each side is 24 inches or 60.5 centimeters. Each angle is 120 degrees. Procedure. For the performer, stand with both feet together inside the hexagon facing the mark starting side. At the signal go, using the ball of the feet with arms bent in front, jump clockwise over the line, then back over the same line inside the hexagon. Continue the pattern with all the sides of the hexagon. Rest for 1 minute. Repeat the test counterclockwise. For the partner, start the time at the signal go and stop once the performer reached the side before the side where he or she started. Record the time of each revolution. Restart the test if the performer jumps on the wrong side or steps over the line. Scoring, add the time of the 2 revolutions and divide by 2 to get the average. Record the time in the nearest minutes and seconds.